Alright, so if you are a new gardener, you need some quick gardening wins. And one way to do that is to grow something that is a perennial. A perennial is a plant that will grow back every single year without you doing anything. And two perennials I keep in my garden are green onions and onion chives. In the back, I have the green onions, and in the front, I have the onion chives. You plant them once and they grow back. And right now in Indiana, it is the last week in March, and these started growing a few weeks ago. And it's probably hard to tell, but we've already been cutting these and using them. I'm throwing them into scrambled eggs. I'm throwing them on top of tacos. I'm putting them on top of some stir-fry dishes. Really easy to use in the kitchen and very easy to grow. So essentially, you plant it one time. There's not much maintenance. In the bottom, we have some hay around it. Some people put mulch around the bottom of their onion chives and their green onions, and then you water it and you let it grow. When the winter time comes, I typically cover it a little bit, and actually I cover it with something like this. Even though this has holes in it, this is fine. I cover it and then I just wait for it to grow back. The one thing that's really important if you're going to grow something that's a perennial like green onions and onion chives, you want to make sure that it is boxed in, because these things love to spread. And you don't want your whole yard to be green onions unless you really like green onions a lot. So if you want to get started and you're like, I want to be successful, start with green onions or some onion chives. It's really easy to grow and it's really easy to use because you don't even have to prepare it. All you got to do is wash it up, chop it up, and put it on top of your favorite meal. And remember, anyone can be a gardener. You just have to get ready, get set, and grow.